sitting out
got the news in an evening.
the North Pool. And the hot tub's pretty out there. Anyway, there's the clubhouse. Here's all the sign-up sheets for the dinner and stuff.
Stunningly beautiful. One of those ones almost a little bit.
It's laundry day, everyone. Have a good day. I'm gonna get my laundry done.
Andrea Land and the other young mothers of Grand Junction.
Just something peaceful about watching the wind blow on the palms. Woo! Look at Christmas tree.
He bought a few tickets,
Oh.
and he doesn't have to show them to be the winner. Bill, is there anything you'd like to say at this time, sir?
I'm surprised.
What's that? We couldn't quite hear you.
I'm surprised that I never win anything.
Well, now you
He
can.
just
say
won
that so
over
congratulations.
$300 on the 50-50.
$65.
Woohoo! Guess what time it is? It's bingo time. We are at the Country Roads RV Park. And boy, do they have a setup. Their games are $100 payouts. Yep, here's Curdy. He's gonna play because he has no choice. He's got a bingo with me. They have a whole cafe in the back that you can like get snacks, and pastries, and okay. Wish us luck. Let's hope we win something.
Annual enrollment period. There may be a plan available in your area with benefits, but you won't know unless you
Did you like and subscribe?
number on your screen now.
Thanks!